Hi. Welcome back. Okay, guys. Today is Wednesday evening, just before Thanksgiving. I just came from a little shopping to get a few items that I was missing. So now I have my turkey here. Oh my God, she took out the thing. Oh God. I have my turkey here, washed. I'm just going to put the seasoning. I'm gonna bathe it, scrub it in this goodness, okay? Alrighty. Wash my hands. I'm gonna do it with my bare hands. Alright, then I'm gonna keep on washing. Okay, so this container is not big enough, but we're gonna make it work. If I don't have enough seasoning, I'm just going to just I'm going to do some more, right? I'm gonna get all the crevices. Getting all the crevices. Okay. I have a feeling that's not gonna be enough, right? It has scallion, onions. What I'm missing is what you call it? Rosemary. Oh my gosh, I don't wanna take it apart. Oh boy. Giving a good rub, right? Give the turkey a good rub, and then it's gonna slip. No, it's gonna go, stay overnight. I hope you guys are having a good pre-Thanksgiving day. I hope you guys, are getting yourself ready for that. We went to the store, me and my daughter. We went to the store. It was so crowded, right? It was so crowded. And I put some of this inside. I need more. I definitely need more, definitely need more because and then I'm gonna put some parsley too. Okay. I think I'm gonna need some more, right? It's a messy process. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm going to take some onions and some parsley. I'm gonna blend them and then rub them some more, some salt for the seasoning, and rub them also. Alright guys, now I'm done with the turkey. Yes, I'm done with the turkey. I'm done seasoning it. I think I'm going to do my my cornbread, right? Now this Thanksgiving is going to be on a budget. So I have my turkey. Now I'm gonna start my mixing of the cornbread ready for today, so I don't have to worry about mixing anything tomorrow. Okay, so let me go get that together. Ooh. I'm sorry guys, I was tasting the seasoning of the turkey. It's a little bit spicy, right? Okay guys, so now I have good old Jiffy. Yes, so the way I make it, it comes out very smooth, very soft, like cake-like. So I used evaporated milk. I don't follow the box instruction. I used to follow it, and when I follow their instruction, it comes out it doesn't come out good. Very like dry stuff like that. So I put my own I changed it. I don't put the same amount of milk that they recommend. I put more milk. Yeah, that changes it. I put not only the gallon of milk, and I also put evaporated milk. That takes it to a whole different level. Everybody likes it. I think I'm gonna make three. I don't make too much because this thing is not really healthy. This is it right here, right? If you hear noise, my daughter's upstairs exercising. I don't know what for. I'm gonna put some ground allspice. Okay, allspice, ground cinnamon. I didn't buy you know what? The last time I did it, I did pumpkin. I put some pumpkin. I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do some pumpkin puree. I'm gonna do that. I did that the last time. It came out pretty good. I have some pumpkin puree. Let me get the milk, okay? Okay, I forgot the eggs. I'm gonna put 3 eggs in there. Alright. 3 eggs. That's the second one. Because I have 3 boxes, I'm gonna put 3 eggs in there, okay? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a great day. You know, I know today is a very busy day. You know, I wasn't gonna film this, but I was like, let me do it. If people watch, they watch. If they don't, hey, whatever. I'm just gonna do it for me. I hope someone watches this. You know, it's gonna be on a budget. That's Thanksgiving dinner on a budget, right? And of course, Saturday I went to the store and bought a few things. And then today, oh, see, it's really starting to be smooth already. You know what? I think I'm gonna put the pumpkin puree. I'm looking over there. The can of I'm looking at it. Should I put it in? Oh yes, I think it's a good idea. The last time I did it with the pumpkin, everybody ate it. See? It's pretty smooth. The liquid is pretty smooth already. Right? I'm not gonna put the other milk. I opened up. Okay guys, this is the pumpkin puree in there. I'm just adding some allspice. So I'm gonna mix it in. So tomorrow morning I don't have to worry about all of these things, right? I just have to just put it in the oven, put the turkey in the oven. The turkey is gonna go first. I feel like it just changes the color. It doesn't give it the taste of the pumpkin. That's what I feel like. Or maybe I'll have to add another can. See how the consistency is? So this is the way I make it. So now I'm gonna put it in the pan and cover the pan for tomorrow. I should have bought? I should have bought some aluminum foil. mixture is not looking like this, it's not, if your mixture is not smooth like this, it's not gonna come out smooth. So now guys, now that the cornbread is out of the way, I put it in the pan and then put it aside, cover it with aluminum foil for tomorrow. So now I'm gonna dice some onions and some bell peppers for the macaroni salad, not the mac and cheese. So my husband doesn't really like cheese, too much cheese. He wants to stay healthy, and we all want to stay healthy over here. So that's what I'm gonna do. What else can I get ready before tomorrow? So tomorrow I don't have to worry about everything. You know, just put things in the oven or on the stove and we move forward. The noise, excuse the noise, it's my daughter. I guess she's happy. She's upstairs making noise. So I hope you guys are doing well. Drop in the comment, you guys, what you guys are preparing for Thanksgiving. This is Thanksgiving on a budget. You don't have to spend much. I know things are hard nowadays. You can buy your turkey, make your own cornbread, and instead of mac and cheese, you can make macaroni salad or potato salad. We don't want too many starch in this household. And also we're gonna have fried plantains. We love that, and some rice and some salad. So that's about it, because we don't want a lot of sweets. We don't eat a lot of unhealthy food. We try to stay on the healthy side. I was thinking about making sweet potato, not sweet potato pie, the American way. I was gonna make, I'm sorry, the Haitian way, but I was like, I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to do all of this. So now, time for the chopping of the onions and the bell pepper. Alrighty, stay tuned. Okay, whoops. So I said I was gonna chop the bell peppers, the vegetable for the macaroni salad. This one was closer. I'm peeling the plantains, get that ready for tomorrow. So tomorrow I don't have to worry about anything. I know it's not a lot to, you know, skin the plantain and then get it ready, but you know what, one less thing to worry about. And how you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying this. I hope you guys watch this, because I'm putting a lot of effort trying to build this channel, you know, trying to build this channel, because, you know, it's the thing now, you know, something to do when you're home. Why not videotaping your life? Why not, you know? And somebody could learn from what you're doing, from what I'm doing, you know? Okay. Somebody could learn. I'm peeling the plantain so we can make fried plantains tomorrow. That's something we love over here while this turkey is seasoning. And I had some nice plates that I purchased, and I'm gonna use those for tomorrow. Okay, so 4. So I'm gonna make just 6. Sometimes these things are never enough, I'm telling you. We're not gonna have a lot of people. It's just our household, right? Who's gonna be there? Oops. See, this is what I'm talking about. All this have to be done tomorrow, no more. So we'll be done here, right? So I'll put music right here so you guys can enjoy the music. Hi, yes, you guys. Right now I'm washing my hands and washing the plantains, and I think I'm gonna end the video right there. I'm just slicing the plantains, continuing cleaning them up and slicing them, prepping them for the next day. Yeah, actually, this video should have gone up for Thanksgiving, and I kind of forgot all about that. Yeah, so this is how I prepped for Thanksgiving this season, or we can this is basically how we prep for holidays. I start doing everything that I can do the day before, so the day of I don't have to work so much. I don't have to go crazy that much. Yeah. So I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you love this video. Bye.